Afternoon, Philippines. Hello world. We are here at Nuestra Señora de Salvacion, Uruan, TV Albay. So this was built in 1776. Sculptured by an sculpture from Buhi Ikamsor. So isa ito sa pinaka oldest church in TV Albay. So makikita natin na mga antique ang ano dito, sculpture. Let us see the view of the church. This is the inside of the church. Yan ang aking mga batchmates. Si Tess, si Christy, si Pami, Oli. Here's Tolly. Tingnan muna natin yung outside view. Yan ang altar. Ibang ganda. Tapos
panugin ako.
Hindi po. The view outside the church. The parish office, Our Lady of Salvation, and Diocesan, Uruan, TV Albay. So yan. So ang ganda ng design ng church. See. Oh, I love the place, surrounded by mountains, very peaceful, and there are plenty of souvenir items over there. Very clean. Let's go to the facade of the church. This is my first time here, guys, in Uruan. My batchmates, Christy.
Hello.
Yan, si Tess at saka si Pam.
Arasay na tayo, di puntaan na.
O, saan na sila? Picture tayo. Wait, video muna to. Oh, yan. Tsaka ang ganda naman ng ano, arin yung sculpture, yan ba? Ang ganda, no? Oh. Yan. Gifted to give 500 years of Christianity in the Philippines. Ito yung mga pamana sa atin ng Espanyol. Napakagandang mga churches. Ganda dito, very peaceful. Doon dagat. Surrounded by mountains, no? Yan. Gayon. Yes. O, dito kayo magsimba sa Uruan. Today is July 3, 2024. Okay. Nagdiretso kami dito and then ma-overnight kami sa Jan's Spring Resort in Malilibot, Albay. Okay guys, pansamantala na muna kami mamamaalam. Punta na kami sa next destination namin sa TV Church. Bye!